Hello everyone, welcome back from my channel. Today we are going to learn about light from Cambridge Primary Science Learner's Book 4, Unit 5, Light. 5.2 Light travels in straight lines. You can see in pictures that light travels in straight lines, but as a scientist, you need to get evidence to show that this is true. The next investigation will give you proof, evidence that shows you something is true. Look again at the photographs of light traveling from the sun and the film projector. In both photographs, you can see the light is traveling in straight lines. Each narrow beam of light is called a ray. Light rays travel from the source of light in all directions until they hit something. Ray diagrams. We can show how light travels with a ray diagram. On the diagram, we draw straight lines for the rays of light. We draw an arrowhead to show the direction of the light ray is moving. Here is an example of a ray diagram with light rays traveling from a lamp. Imagine a light ray from the lamp hits an object such as a book. This light ray is an arriving ray. The light rays will bounce or reflect off the book. These rays are called reflected rays. The reflected rays are also straight lines, but they travel in a different direction to the rays leaving the light source. If the reflected rays enter our eyes, we will see the book. 5.3 Light reflects off different surfaces. You know that when light reflects off an object into our eyes, we see the object. Some surfaces, the top layer that is next to the air, are much better at reflecting light than other surfaces. Mirrors. A smooth, shiny surface is very good at reflecting light. A mirror has a smooth, shiny surface. When you see your face in a mirror, you are seeing light from your face reflecting off the mirror. We call the reflection of your face in the mirror your image. Do some surfaces reflect light better than others? Aaron can see himself in the mirror. The mirror reflects his image back to him. Marcus can't see himself in the wooden chopping board. The wooden surface absorbs light. It takes the light in and does not reflect it. All objects reflect light or absorb light. A piece of paper, for example, is smooth and flat. However, if you look at a piece of paper under a microscope, you see something like the picture below. Notice that the paper actually contains lots of bumps. The microscope makes everything bigger and you can see the bumps that you can't see with your eyes. Because its surface is not completely smooth, paper absorbs a lot more light than it reflects. If a surface reflects light very well, you will be able to see your reflection in the surface. If you can't see your reflection at all in the surface, it means the surface absorbs light.